So now friends, in this actual tutorial of Power Query, we will learn about merge query. So how we will use merge query in Excel. So let's see. So we have a data here which contains your sales of product details, in which we have salesman detail, your product detail, your date detail and units detail. Beside that we have a product details also. So this is the price of the product. So both of them are in separate tables. So they are in separate sheets and we have a tables from them. So what we need to do, we need to have like product detail here from this. Like in Excel we have a VLOOKUP formula for that we can do that, but there are certain steps in that. So but we can do it in a very easy way with the help of your Power Query. So what we need to do, we need to close this file and open a new file. So I just close this and open a new file here, and in this file we will merge both these tables. So first of all I will go here, then I will go to data. From home I will go to data there, then I will go to new query, and in new query we have from files. So from files I will take from Excel workbook. After taking it I will take like our file is in a merge folder which is called product data. I will just click over this my file. So it has two sheets. So I select multiple sheets from here and select both sheets, first this one and second this one, or either we can do that, first I will select this one and then I will select this one. So I will select both my sheets and then I will click on transform data. So transform data will take this all this file to our Power Query. So these data will be converted into a query here. So this is our first file and this is our second file. Now what we need to do, we need to merge all these files so that we can have a product detail like prices of product. Like this is our product, if you want prices of product here, then we have to merge them. So I will just click over this and go in merge query option and just click over this. So a new window will appear, and in this window this is our sales of product and the second one will be our product detail. Now we have to create a connection between these two tables. So the common like column in both these table is product. So I just click over this and then I will click over this. So now we have a connection between these two tables. So for that and according to that they will keep the data there in our first table, because we need a price here in our sales of product table. So I just click over OK. Now we have a table, complete table here, but we only need the price. So what we will do, I will just click over this button like and just take price. We can take multiple items also, but in this case we have only a product, but if we have more than one or two and any number we can take it also. So in that case we only take price. So I just click over price only and remove the tick mark from products and then press OK. So now we have a price here. So this is our new data. Then I will close and load. And that this is our new table. So this is the way. Now whatever changes we want to make in the table, we can make that. Like suppose we will add our sales and go here and put in formula here. We just multiply this with this and just press OK. So we have prices of each and every product, we have sales. Now whatever change we will make in our source data, that will also be updated in our new file which we have created now. So this function is very important and very useful in today's working scenario. That's all from this video.